May please to Lordship. Lordship, I am praying to listing a matter on 18th of January. Mention
it on 17th.
17th.
Mention it on 17th now. Next. Yes, ma'am.
May I please, Your Honor, I beg to mention item number 2.
Two.
Kindly matter may be passed over for the day. My senior is not well.
You wait. Wait till it is pulled out.
Obliged.
Item number 1 of daily list.
May I please, Lord?
What is the contempt here?
Yes, ma'am.
What contempt?
Contempt, my Lord, Lordship, kindly see by order of the single judge, Honorable Single Judge, at paragraphs 20, page 32, my Lord. Last part, last 4 line, my Lord. Resultantly, the 2 repetitions are allowed. As a corollary, the
No, but
petition.
thereafter LPA order means writ appeal order has to be read.
Yes, my Lord.
Because that Lalit single judge's order merges with the
Yes, merge with the, my Lord, order of the law.
it merges with it.
Yes, my Lord.
So we have to look at the direction if
Yeah,
any issue.
my Lord, this is- My Lord, this is the order. Honorable Single Judge order was, and it was
Now you turn to page 42.
Lordship. Page 42.
Hmm.
Meanwhile, the status quo to be maintained by all the parties, my Lord. The state respondent are directed to produce record, my Lord. Status quo to be maintained.
Hmm.
The Honorable Single Judge in his order, my Lord, Lordship order, please to, my Lord.
No,
that
but this is the division bench order.
Yes, my Lord. The
Therefore,
order is that, my Lord.
Status quo is to be maintained, whatever position. First, there is no question of contempt. You file an IA if you want any further order
No, my Lord.
in the pending appeal.
My Lord, what I am on, my Lord. My Lord,
All along with the writ appeal number so and so which is pending. Let both be heard together.
Lord.
Next.
Oblige, ma'am.
Item number 2.
That would be proper, Mr.
Lordship.
Counsel.
Oblige.
Or Mr. So and so notice. Notice, we have issued notice. Take steps,
Item number 3.
same order. Notice.
Item number 4.
May please your lordship, my lord. My lord, here, my lord, the question for consideration is that, my lord, whether the learned single judge was justified in traveling beyond the, my lord, terms of the, my lord, tender, my lord. The original tender was for the period, my lord, 1/8/2022 to 31/3/2023. And by the, my lord, impugn order, my lord, page 168, my lord, para 36. The honorable court has directed for settlement of the market beyond this, my lord, 31/3/2023. My lord, for a period of 8 years, my lord, it is started like this. However, since the settlement would commence from a later date, the same should be made for a period of 8 months, which was stipulated in the original NIT. My lord, now I have come to know, my lord, this settlement has been issued up to, my lord, September 2023. Whereas the original period was 31/3/2023, my lord.
No, Mr. Counsel, it has to be for 8 months.
8 months, my
On
lord,
the date on which it starts.
my lord.
We'll issue notice if you want, otherwise
Yes,
there is nothing.
No, already market was settled.
Nothing remains in the appeal.
My lord, some
Except-
lordship knows,
except
some
you are-
judgments.
you are giving proper answer to your client, nothing remains.
Now, moreover, another submission, my lord.
Next,
Lordship may
next.
kindly appreciate the one submission, my lord.
Next.
That,
You
my,
will have to make the person also party, so then we can't pass any orders. Next.
my,
Item number 5.
Yes, Mr. Das, what is the position now?
obliged.
No, in this matter, the government are supposed to give the report in pursuance to the compliance of the directions passed by the Honorable Court on 15/12/2022. Yes, Lord, I have received the report, Lord, compliance report, Lord.
Yes, Mr. Kalita.
I have received an interim compliance report,
Hmm.
but Lordship, we are taking a little bit more time to by the auditor.
Yes, Mr. Chandran, what is your position? And Ms. Kaur.
My lord, we are yet to receive, my lord, the notification of the committee.
By an
But
order
step has
dated,
already been taken, my lord.
by an order dated 15/12/2022. In opinion of this court, elaborate directions were issued. The time was put forth. Thereafter, on 2nd of January 2023, time was sought for by the learned councils appearing for the respective states to submit the report. Paragraph. Today, when the matter is called out, Mr. Dipankar Das, the Senior Government Advocate, Assam, and Mr. A. Chandran, Learned Additional Advocate Chandran, sorry, Additional Senior Government Advocate Arunachal Pradesh, have submitted their report. Copy of the same may be given to Mr. H.K. Das,
My lord.
Learned Counsel for the Guwahati High Court. Mr. A. Kalita, Learned Additional Advocate General Mizoram, and Ms. Kochi, Learned Additional Advocate General Nagaland, took time to file the report. In the interest of justice, adjourned to 20th of January.
My lord, can it be after any date, after 28, my lord? Some difficulty on 28, 20,
30 January,
sorry, my lord.
30 January, it is
Yes, my
Monday,
lord. Yes.
30th January.
Yes.
All the states shall file their further report by the next date of hearing.
My lord.
Lord, I'll take the copy and I'll make copy and submit, Lord.
You can take it, there is no
Lord,
problem.
I'll provide.
Highly object.
Next,
Item number 6 and 7.
My lord, this is with regard to, my lord, establishment of VWDC.
Hmm.
Lord, just now I have got a report from the, my lord, member secretary.
yes,
The position is similar to the last occasion.
no, it
La-
one place it has started because I have passed some orders on administrative side.
My lord.
My brother's district is ready and it will be inaugurated anytime.
This-
Golpara.
South Salmara.
South.
Yes, South Salmara is was incorporated in the last report also, my lord.
It is only formally to be inaugurated by the district.
Yes, my lord. South Salmara is here. So far as other districts are concerned, my lord, some endeavor has to be taken.
Mr. Nath, I was suggesting the other day that why don't you send somebody with DLSA secretary from your PWD department, not local, from the head office level or at the level of the secretariat.
There was a meeting, Lord, and
Ah.
accordingly, they have also submitted some report. We have placed it before your lordship. But in those reports, primarily they said that place is available, no new
And
construction. is
not
possible.
available.
New construction is possible.
Something we'll have to work out.
True.
You can, I can suggest you one thing.
My lord.
See, in every district judge is the chairman of the DLS.
Lord.
He may not find time, but the member secretary of DLSA is comparatively free in the sense he has not to handle the judicial work.
Sure.
So let an officer of at the same level be appointed in any all districts where it is not yet started. Let them explore the possibility by going personally, because unless and until you take a personal look and
It will not be
into the magnitude of the area here, it is not possible for any judge to travel at every district and decide that where PWD is. But we will have to come out. So this is the suggestion. District judge, he himself can, if he is ready in a small district, it can be possible.
It will be better by the member secretary. my lord.
Member
Because
secretary, because he
in
can
this
move
proce-
around.
since
He can
this
move around.
proceeding was going on for quite some time, all the districts are aware regarding requirement of.
But I'm not passing any, we are not passing any order today.
But-
We'll keep it in the reopening immediately after PU.
Yeah.
But work out because you take first concurrence of your officer.
Yeah.
Because there has to be a proper inclination for that. We don't want
Yes.
only person by name.
Well, this time,
But I repeat what I said last time, that I am worried about the cost factor which you people are showing.
for new construction particularly.
That has to be reduced by
True.
using the same infrastructure that we have
Yes.
as far as possible.
So this time I will suggest them that you, apart from going for the new construction, in the available infrastructure, if
Ah.
possible, you just explore that part.
See,
I'll
today,
suggest them.
for example, if you want to have any partition in this courtroom, it is available and
Mark.
very neat and clean partition. You don't, nobody would be able to even know that there is a partition. We
Yes.
are in a different era now. Why any proposal comes, it is, decided, go for a new construction. New construction is a costly affair.
It is costly affair.
Ah.
Places are available. They, in their report, they said that place is available for construction.
Instead of that, we would prefer to have some other construction of courtroom.
Yes.
So we
In
have
the
to-
available infrastructure,
yes,
if possible.
And I tell you, Mr. Nath, it will not be possible by sitting in the chair or in the respective chamber.
No, no.
You have to go to the site and decide it.
Very true.
I can understand where rented houses are there, it will not be possible. It will not be possible. But rented, we have hardly in 1 or 2 days.
All
Yes,
the permanent,
All have,
Right.
all have
Yes.
that. At taluka places, we may have some difficulty.
one,
Probably in Hojai, there is some difficulty of
Yes.
space,
yes.
particularly because I have personally visited the district court of Hojai. So it is converted from the old stuff fitting which was there. But there also something can be worked out, Mr. Das. There has to be an inclination for that.
Only thing is that some benevolent application of mind is required, my lord,
Exactly. Exactly.
in the instant matter.
So
Always possible.
I use a little loose word of inclination.
Yes. Because it's not a huge infrastructure that is required to be erected.
Exactly.
It's only a room
Uh-huh.
which is the requirement, with sufficient technology.
It's not a settle on an elephant.
Exactly.
So can we keep it on 18th or 19th? So it will be, or if you are not
And 1920, I am not available, my lord.
18th, should I keep it?
18 it can be.
Not-
Or
But
Mr.
from
HK
the-
Das?
From the state legal service authorities report, wherever it is not, and they have suggested for new construction, in those places, my lord, I would suggest the officers to go and meet the cyber secretary to explore whether in the
We are saying so in the order itself.
lordship.
Yes, that
will
would
be
be
Mr.
better,
HK
my lord.
Das for the
Yeah.
Guwahati High Court and Mr. Deepak
More detail.
Nath, Senior Government Advocate, Assam. For this. During the course of hearing today, it was suggested that based upon the report submitted by Asal sir, Member Secretary Asal sir, proper, actual and exact inspection of the existing infrastructure at the district court level needs to be examined. In order to achieve the same, we deem it fit to direct the member secretary of each such district wherein the infrastructure is yet to be created, shall visit, shall inspect the existing court premises and along with the officer nominated by the state government in each such district and shall submit individual reports of each such district before this court as to how, when, and where vulnerable witness deposition center can be established
In the existing,
in the, more particularly in the existing infrastructure.
yes,
But the executive engineer concerned, they will be.
We are giving you liberty because we don't know the position whether even in newly created district you have executive engineer.
The particular areas covered.
Therefore, you have your government officer of a level of not below the rank of executive agent. Adjourned to 18th of January.
Month.
Next.
Highly obliged.
Now no hearing matter.
At least, my lord, we could appear. That's
That's enough.
that's irreasonable.
But that, Mr. Nair, it equally applies to me also. It is always a pleasure.
Lordship, it was a pleasure, man. It was a pleasure.
It was a pleasure.
Loved all the interactions. Never forget that.
Both Natio Gopal.
My lord, can it be after 23rd? My lord,
Yes,
some
yes.
difficult after 23rd.
My English teacher in the school has taught me that if time is money, then I am a millionaire. You tell me, I'll grant it. On the last day, what else can I grant it?
My lord,
Tomorrow practically is the last day, but just a ceremonial bench.
lordship.
I have one ceremonial bench and then ceremonial bench at the end with my brother. Because I began with him, I want to end with him.
Lordship, that's true. Much obliged.
One more. Sakya Sab is waiting. You would not agree to this. Some other day. My lord, I have filed my return arguments.
My lord, lordship kindly see the order dated 2nd August.
Not today now.
All that, my lord, order dated 2nd August may be seen kindly.
Not today, Mr. Sakya now.
But that, my lord, the man is serious, my lord, suffering from heart attack.
जो date चाहिए except tomorrow दे दे. Thank you very much, Mr. Sakya. Not hearing matters, I am not going to open any matter today.
My lord, then just after vacation, lordship,
You select the date, I'll grant. 18th, 19th, which day to you?
18.
18th. You don't want to take rest after enjoyment at you.
Okay, my lord.
Then